And so you inspired me, Matt.
Oh.
You inspired me.
What? Whoa! I didn't notice that.
Yeah.
Oh, that is amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I felt extremely bad about that situation. Well,
I don't know how you sourced that so fast, but thank you.
and so I had it already in the crib.
Oh, you had this the whole time?
Yeah, I had it the whole time. I was just being lazy.
Oh my God.
But
For
you
like
inspired
months?
me, bro. You inspired me.
That's gonna be fun for all your passengers.
Yeah. I mean, I figured like if somebody's like willing to get into a car with me, I should afford them at least the same safety standards, you know, that I have. You know what I mean?
No, I thought the same when that happened. I was like, man, if I do that, I'm gonna do that too for my passenger if I ever get to that level again.
Yeah. So
yeah, cool, man. I appreciate that. Yeah.
I came to that conclusion, bro. It's just better for everybody, you know?
Yeah. It looks good too, man. I mean,
yeah, man. It looks a lot more solid. Dude.
It looks so nice.
Have a seat, bro. Like, fill her up. You gotta adjust your harnesses anyway.
That's what she said. She said, fill her up.
Bro, I got this one chick, bro. She be getting on my nerves, but bro, she got some of the best pussy I ever had in my life.
I was gonna say, girls be annoying sometimes.
But she got the best pussy.
What, she
and
got
I can't even tell her. You know, I can't even let her know, bro. I cannot let her know because it will make her attitude worse and more bullshit. But bro, I was beating her down last night. I was like, I think I love her, bro.
This is too good. This is too good.
Bro, I'm not even lying, bro. I didn't get to her house till like 12 something last night.
Is this that thick white girl that you posted? Like she was in your stories? Like,
no, bro. No.
I was like, man, you be hanging out with some wretched ass Germans. I didn't even know they existed, but that was cool. Okay, someone else.
Yeah, but bro, that's the thing. I did a plethora of women. You know what I'm saying? Like I'll have like the most German girl you've ever seen in your life, but then I'll have like a ratchet one like that. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you know, I'm like that just with all my women.
Variety. Yeah, spice of life.
Yeah, bro, go ahead, man.
Okay,
like, fill her out, bro. I want to get your opinion.
I mean, these seats look great.
And so, like, how does that feel?
Well, the seat feels amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, the seat, like, that other seat felt not uncomfortable, but awkward because it felt really low.
Yeah.
Or something. I don't know. I don't know if that's the right word, but I feel really like, I don't know if it was the other one's low, but I just feel like Seymour and more solid. It just feels like a really good seat.
And so the other seat was a bit more low, but even if you feel like, bro, this thing isn't moving, bro. Like that's like, you know what I mean? Like,
yeah. Yo, this reminds me of C130.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's exactly. I've never seen a race seatbelt like this, but
right. I was at the ED. I was at the gas station.
Or just now?
Yeah. Well, it was earlier today, but I'm at the gas station, you know, and I'm walking by because my power steering fluid had like overheated and it was coming on my windshield. I threw my
oh my God.
Through my vents. Man, it's a Corvette problem.
Came out the damn top, like with the top seal, it was like just went past the top. The top popped off.
So it was coming up, but the airflow was causing it to go through the vents. I'm like, what's this smudgy shit going on my windshield? And I smelled it. I'm like, you know, it's not the first time. But anyway, right?
Is this from you just driving around?
No, so this was from a lap on the track.
Oh, okay.
But so this is the hottest weather it's been all year, so I haven't, you know, done any hot weather testing. But the dude stopped me. He's like, hey, bro, you got a YouTube channel? I was like, yeah, bro, I do. He's like, I saw your review up on the Federals.
Oh my God, yes, that's awesome.
Right, I was like, yo.
That feels so good, I bet.
Yeah, bro. Like,
oh my God.
You know, and dude, man, it was all love. It was just cool, bro. You know?
He's like, hey, I think I know you.
Oh my God. I gotta chill, bro. It got me feeling like my car is dead. I feel like my car is in danger, bro.
I know. I actually missed it.
Oh, did you miss it?
Yeah. We'll do it next time. Yeah. Bad your power steering climate control don't work.
Hey, man, I did not bring you hit the shade.
You get to see a lot of cool stuff, I guess.
up on YouTube.
This Carrera's gonna follow. We're gonna follow this Carrera and do a nice tailgate.
Getting close. Not quite.
That Fast and Furious shift. Nice drive.
Oh, the track's closed!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, what the fuck?
Is it because the time's up or because of accident? Dude, one lap and it's closed. Got any words?
Bro, I gotta get my wits back. Well, it's not about getting my wits back about me, but I'm sure you can feel it. Like at some place I'm just like hesitant now, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you're just being careful.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
That's true. The car's moving around a little bit though. It's moving around a little bit.
I was gonna say. So that yellow, whatever series BMW that is behind it, that 3 Series, dude, that thing is always out. Every time I'm here, it's always there.
That one?
Yeah. I think it's a rental.
BMW.
Huh?
That's a rental.
It's a rental?
Yeah.
And they be getting business like every single day.
So so in your opinion, from the passenger seat, how'd the car feel?
I felt great. I felt like it was it's doing everything you asked it to, and it has more too. You know, it's really compliant and like solid. There's like no sketchiness anywhere. It's, you know, I don't think I mean, how much better can it possibly get?
Do you have any like do you have any moments where you're like, oh shit? Like, do you have any of those?
No. Like mechanical driver? No.
Okay.
I mean, no, I felt
good about the lap. The whole time.
The seat feels like I'm part of the car now.
Yeah. It doesn't feel like you're just like
I'm not hanging onto the roof.
Yeah.
Somehow the back girl, man, I just see her walking around back and forth. I think something left
she's
there.
with those people.
Oh.
Yeah. She had walked down like where we parked, and I was on the phone with you, and when I told you to hold on, like I was about to say something to her.
She's driving.
Bro, that was dope.
That was.
I think that might be its own video right there.
The way it was moving around.
I didn't bring any of my equipment though. Matt, you gotta feel that, bro.
Yeah.
The brakes, that is the original, but then we have to last for a few tracks.
Yeah?
Yeah, because before with the BMW it lasts only half a day.
Oh, really?
So,
So
No, here.
okay.
This one.
yeah, so I actually live in Germany.
Okay.
Yeah. But Fernal Gore, you know, it's not pretty, but it gets the job.
Yeah, but big V8, yeah. It's from our place, this guy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, but I don't know.
Really good looking, you know, like it's unique. It's unique here.
Because the color is from Jaguar, but
Oh, you got it painted also?
yeah, VM not. Okay. So it's non-metallic. That's the difference.
Yeah.